right, here's the problem that I took a convoluted way to go, and I'm going to try and explain it a little bit better right now. It ends up being a very, very quick type of problem, a lot quicker than what I did yesterday. So, here's the situation. Our tangent of the opposite of y is equal to 0.9. Find the cotangent of y minus pi over 2. I see this. I see the pi over 2, and you're subtracting stuff, and instantly that tells me it's a cofunction identity that we need to use. However, this is wrong. This is not the cofunction. The cofunction formula for this one is tangent of theta is equal to cotangent of pi over 2 minus y. And if you're looking at the two angles, these are opposite angles. So, that would have been theta. That's your identity. But we would change those to y's as well. Well, so what we need to do is we need to say, well, if the tangent of y is equal to this, and we can relate the tangent of negative y, so the tangent of negative y is equal to the opposite of the tangent of y. That is your even odd identity. So that's you're going to want to hold all your even odds in your back pocket just because you're able to figure out a relation between those. So if we look at this right here, and the tangent of y is going to be this, the tangent of the opposite of y is going to be equal to the cotangent of the opposite of pi over 2 minus y. And this will get us to the cotangent of y minus pi over 2. So if I know the tangent of negative y, I'm going to know the cotangent with this. So that's really all we need to know. I know the tangent of negative y is, from here, 0.9. That's going to be equal to the cotangent of y minus pi over 2, which is exactly what we wanted it to be. And there's our answer. So it was just kind of seeing that, all right, this is actually the opposite of what it was, because the property actually says pi over 2 minus y. So we have to actually use the opposite angle, that negative y, in order to get to where we need to go. So look at both of those examples, and if you still have a little bit of an issue with those, let me know. But this really just comes down to recognizing that this is the opposite of what it needs to be. So by doing the opposite, we have to take the opposite angle here as well. But we already know what that is. It's a 0.9, so we're good to go.